No matter what kind of case you store your firearm in, and no matter whether you're taking it from your house to the gun range or you're taking it from the airport to a hunting location miles and miles away, halfway around the world, you owe it to yourself, the animals that you hunt, and also to the outfitter that you're hunting with to make sure your rifle is still zeroed. So I always recommend, no matter how confident you are in your firearm, no matter what case, and no matter how little or long you're traveling, always check and make sure that your firearm is zeroed in. You owe it to yourself, your outfitter, and more importantly, to the animal you hunt. Dead on, baby. Dead on.